Hi, this is Dr. Tom Taylor. Julia's story illustrates the success of memory reframing even when the negative emotional memory engram may seem hard to find. Julia came in soon after a car accident and made rapid progress over a period of weeks. Her progress stopped suddenly and the pain in her left hip proved unusually stubborn. Julia and I reviewed the accident looking for a specific sensory stimulus that we must have missed. When I asked if she had food in the car, she remembered smelling salad dressing that was in a container which had opened on her back seat during the impact with the other car. The sense of smell can be an important emotional memory trigger because it reaches the oldest and most primitive centers in the brain. I said, think about where you got the salad. And after we worked through the memory reframing process, Julia's hip felt fine and never bothered her again. Later, Julia told me that the salad had come from a restaurant where she met a guy who had lived where she had also lived during a time when her marriage was failing. Bingo! The memory of her failed marriage, with all the emotions contained in that relationship, was reactivated from this seemingly random conversation. The smell of the salad was the catalyst that reawakened Julia's memory of her conversation with the man in the restaurant and her former marriage, the memory of which was still painful. The same kind of reactivation could have happened if music had been playing that she associated with her earlier memory. When Julia's subconscious mind caught the smell of the salad at the time of impact with the other car, her body sealed the sensory experience of the immediate physical trauma on top of the unhealed emotions associated with her failed marriage. Her old emotional memory instantly became part of the new trauma's memory engram. An alarm bell began ringing in Julia's subconscious during her conversation at the restaurant, but she didn't hear it, and the emotions associated with her memory of a failed marriage became subconsciously locked in the trauma of the car accident. The metaphor for Julia's hip pain was that her former marriage had stopped her forward progress, which the car accident served to dramatize, and which her hip pain expressed until she addressed it in a way that sent the message that the emergency was over into the areas of her subconscious memory where the information about her marriage was stored. Once Julia reframed the memory of her former marriage, her body's healing response was freed to release her hip. Julia's story demonstrates the point that our memories and our senses are interconnected, so if you seem not to be getting the results you should with memory reframing, look for anything you saw, heard, smelled, tasted, or touched during a traumatic experience. Here's what you need to do now. Click the link in the description of this video and sign up for this empowering experience. Click the link and sign up now.